Hello everyone. Today we are going to do with the poem 2.4, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? This poem is written by Edgar Albert Guest, who is a British-born American poet born in the first half of the 20th century. He is popularly known as the people's poet. His poems often have a very inspirational and an optimistic view towards life. Now let us try to understand this poem, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? Looking at the title, have you earned your tomorrow? This is definitely a question put forward in front of the readers to think about how is the treatment given to others. Certainly we got to help other people, right? Because if we do good, we believe that if we do good, definitely it will bring a lot of blessings in our life. The same way, we believe that if we do good investment in the present life, for instance, we get in or buy in LIC policies or mutual funds in the belief that it's going to give us a good return in the future. So we got to do good things in the present so that we can have a bright future. And remember that all good deeds are taken into account and it is being noted by God. Okay, so let us try to understand the poem in detail. Have you earned your tomorrow? Is anybody happier because you passed his way? Okay, as I said, one has to do good deeds. Okay, so you need not do many big things that would make you real famous. You need not do all that. You can just do simple things, just like making somebody happy. How can you make somebody happy? It could be in a very small way, by talking. If somebody is depressed, you could go and talk to him, console him. If he is in need of some financial help, then you may provide him with that. Okay, this is how you're going to make that person happy. Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? So it's not necessary that it should be always in the form of money. Okay, sometimes some consoling words make a huge difference in somebody's life. Okay, so does that person, any single, not many I'm talking of, just a single person, does he remember you of the good deed that you've done? This day is almost over. So whatever it is, we all have 24 hours in a day. So in that time span, have you done something good? Because and its toiling time is through, because the day is gone. You've done all the work that you had to do. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? Okay, not all will talk good of you, but is there a single person who would say that so and so person did a good deed and I'm really grateful to him? So have you done that small little thing that the poet is asking? Did you give a cheerful greeting to a friend who came along? Okay, it's all about our behavior towards other person. When you meet somebody on the road, how is your behavior towards him? Do you smile and do you ask him about his well-being? Yeah, that's how one should be. One should be very courteous. Or you mean churlish? Churlish meaning behaving in a very rude manner. And howdy. Howdy is a very informal way of saying how are you. So did you actually greet the person in a nice manner? Okay, with a nice beautiful, you're wearing a nice beautiful smile on your face and you greeted that person? Or did you just frowned and you went away, vanished in the throng? Throng is the crowd. So you yourself are the best person to analyze how was your behavior towards the other person. Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along the way? So did you behave in a very rude and purely selfish manner that you had no time to stand and spend a few seconds or a little time with that person? Or someone might be grateful for the deed you did today. Okay, as I said, you do something small, inner help, whatever little help you could do, have you done that? That is what the poet is asking. So when you get back home, can you say tonight in parting with the ways that's slipping fast? The days are moving fast. We have got 24 hours in our hand, and how the time flies, we just don't know. Okay, so when you get back home and you sit back and you think, uh, this particular thought has come to your mind, that have you helped a single person of the many that you passed? Did you help any person? As I said, you need not do big things. Okay, do some small things. If you've done something, that will definitely give you a sense of satisfaction. Is a single heart rejoicing? Is a single heart, is a single person, is that person really happy because you met him, you spoke to him? Did that make a difference in that person's life? Does a man whose hopes were fading now with a courage look ahead? Okay, sometimes it makes wonders, it creates wonders. You talk to the person, you console him. Okay, because that's what sometimes it is needed. You need not, it's not always the financial help that is required. Sometimes it's a talk, a face to face talk, a consoling word that helps, that goes in a big way to help the person. So because of that, did that person's attitude or outlook towards life changed? Did you make that difference in that person's life? Did you waste the day? So finally, when you get back home, it's a time for you to sit back and think. Okay, you got to do the analysis of how you spent your day. So was it good, was it bad, or it was simply wasted? It's only you who can say that. Okay, and did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? Okay, so it could be either good. If you've done something good, definitely it will create a positive impact on the other person. So were you kind enough? Did you do something good to the other person, or were you very rude in your behavior, in your speech, that has created unhappiness and discontent in the other person's heart? As you close your eyes, so finally, as I said, karma plays a very important role. Every little thing that you do in your life is being observed. Okay, so accordingly you will be given your reward. Okay, so as you close your eyes in slumber, it's a time for you to sleep. As you go to your bed, and you think that God would say, ultimately, if God is really happy with the kind of deed you have done today, you've behaved very well, you've helped somebody, God will be impressed, and all this is going to be added into your account. Okay, just like you may have a Google account or an FB account, there is an account up. Okay, so all your good deeds and your bad deeds are being taken into account, and there will be a day when a final judgment will be made. So God is taking note of all the things that you're doing. So if you've done a real good thing today, definitely one more day is going to be added, just like bonus point, one more point is going to be added to your life. So have you earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? So it's very important. We take life so casually, but then we should be very much grateful that every moment, the food that we eat, the time that we are living, okay, all the things that we enjoy in our life is all just because of the grace of God. So if you're getting all these things, definitely you are deserving it, and definitely you have earned it. So I would close the poem by saying that we should try to we should try to do good deeds in our life. Try to do good deeds, because as I said, karma, that is being taken into account. So the poet is trying to tell us that whatever way, try to do small deeds so that it can improve or bring a difference in some other people's life. Okay, so by doing that, you are not losing anything. In that way, in that case, you are earning. Earning. You are earning it in the form of blessings. I hope you've understood this poem.